This is part 7 in a series of presentations about standards in vital records. In this session, we'll take a little closer look at the vocabulary that underlie all of the standards used in vital records. If you remember, back in session 1, we talked about controlled medical vocabulary such as LOINC, SNOMED, RxNorm, and others, and how they're used to define data elements used in standard messages. You might want to dig a little more deeply into the content of those controlled medical vocabularies and what they actually mean. CDC has a website known as PHIN-VADS, where PHIN-VADS stands for Public Health Information Network Vocabulary Access and Distribution System. PHIN-VADS is a repository for all of the controlled medical vocabularies used across public health and not just in vital records. You can type a search term into the search box, such as BFDRE, which is Birth and Fetal Death Reporting Enhanced, and click to search all vocabulary. And you'll see a page that shows the result. The QRPH, which is Quality Reporting in Public Health, IHE, Birth and Fetal Death Reporting Enhanced. Click to see more details. And you get a page that looks like this. A brief description of the standard of the value set, when it was published, who it was published by, and below you can see 130 value sets were found for birth and fetal death reporting. We'll take a look at the very first one, the 10-minute APGAR score. You'll see it's assigned a value set OID, a series of numbers separated by dots. The OID is a unique identifier in PHIN-VADS where every value set has a unique OID. Clicking on the details link, we're taken to a page that gives more information about that particular value set. In this case, the 10-minute APGAR score has a LOINC code of 9271-8. 9271-8 then is a code that uniquely identifies the concept 10-minute APGAR score in applications that require the 10-minute APGAR score, such as birth and fetal death reporting. All of these rules are included in the IHE's Birth and Fetal Death Reporting Enhanced Implementation Guide. There are a lot of requirements in the implementation guide, and we won't look at them all. If we skip down to the bottom of page 114, you'll see pregnancy history. And the requirement is that the BFDRE document shall include the following observation if known: date of last live birth. And the OID for that value set is given. If you click on that link, it's underlined in blue because it's a hyperlink. The implementation guide will take you directly to the PHIN-VADS value set. So that's one way you can access PHIN-VADS from the implementation guides in IHE and HL7. A couple of questions. Blank assign numeric codes to concepts in biomedical domains so they may be unambiguously understood by computers. The answer is controlled medical vocabularies. Which of the following methods cannot be used to access PHIN-VADS vocabularies? A. Search the PHIN-VADS website. B. Click on a hyperlink in an implementation guide. C. Ask Siri. Or D. Download vocabulary specifications from the PHIN-VADS website. The answer is C. Ask Siri is not a method that can be used at this time. I tried and it doesn't work. Maybe someday. That concludes this session. If you have any questions, my contact information is shown here.